Hey, okay, today is my last unboxing. Okay, so this is from Elf Beauty Squad. I don't know, they were gonna send me anything, but this is crazy because last year I bought like a big box of Elf products and I did sign up for their Beauty Squad, and you basically get perks and points for shopping at their website, and you get free samples and items when you do purchase. Damn, okay. And when you do purchase products from them, and I did receive like 2-3 free things whenever I ordered that big box. Remember, that was last year. I can't remember the month exactly, but well, guess what, this is next year. Girl, I don't know if I find it, I'll put it here, but it's been months. I feel like 6 months or more, I don't know, but the Elf randomly sent me this, and I haven't bought anything from them from literally last year, from the big haul I did on YouTube. Is old, so yeah. Anyways, so I'm excited because they sent me something for free. That's so cool. So this is how the card looks. Okay, what does it say? It says, oh, a special surprise for select icon members. So they call me icon. You see, I'm an icon. The Elf told me I'm an icon, that I am an icon. So all right. So they sent me their blemish breakthrough acne fighting spot gel for me to use. So oh, so if I try it and let them know what I think and leave a review, they're gonna add 25 points to my Beauty Squad balance. So okay, that's interesting. So let's see what the product is. It looks like this. Okay, so I remember I tried one of these years ago. I think I was in high school. It didn't really work for me, to be honest. I'm sorry, Elf, I'm putting you on blast, but maybe this one works because they reformulated products. Yeah, I think this one I haven't tried. The other one looked clear. I don't know, we'll see. This one is Acne. Okay, so this one has 1% salicylic acid. It says right there. And I love the packaging, the color mint. Okay, so those are the ingredients in case y'all are interested, because I know people out there have a lot of skin allergies, or I don't know, they really want to know the ingredients. Okay, so this has witch hazel, which I love. That actually does help me with my breakouts. Definitely use witch hazel. And it says that it has aloe, and that's good for your skin too. So all right. So this is basically a roll-on product. It's, yeah, definitely like the one I tried years ago. I hope this one works. Yeah, it's definitely the same. I had this one too, but I feel like the other one didn't have witch hazel or aloe, or maybe. But listen, when you're a teenager, you don't care what you put in your face. You don't really look at the ingredients, but then because you have baby fresh skin, you don't have any concerns. I mean, acne, but not everyone. So I don't really had a lot of concerns back then, but now that I'm older, I definitely do have a lot of skin concerns. So now I'm actually reading everything and make sure everything's good before I use it the best that I can, you know. If not, and then I still try it because it's gifted. But I haven't done skincare for the past 2 weeks, and you see how my skin looks better without using any product. So that's how you know that my skin got ruined for using skincare, not really makeup. That's even more dangerous, not having the proper skincare for your skin needs because of the ingredient. And that's, yeah, I'm actually interested in learning esthetician school just because of how my skin is just interesting now to me. But imagine me going to school now for skincare. That's pretty cool. Anyways, getting sidetracked. So this is so cool. Okay, so let me see, let me read, let me smell it first actually. Yeah, it smells the same way. It smells kind of strong, not really. It's subtle, but it smells the same way. It looks the same as whenever I tried it years ago, which was 10 years ago. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the same formula. It feels like the same formula. It's clear. It's doesn't. Okay, let me, like, right now I have breakouts right now. I'm using the I Do Care roller tray. That one has witch hazel. That one kind of does work, but you have to apply it multiple times a day, and if you are consistent, it does kind of minimizes your acne. It does help. So now I'm gonna stop and try this one and see if this one works better. So let's see, I'm using it right now. Some of these are scarring. Like this one is a scar. I have a lot of scarring, but I break out a lot right here right now. Okay, basically you just roll on this on your pimple. Okay, and let's see if it works. So okay, I feel like refreshed too. It feels refreshing and cooling. I can still smell the product. It's pretty out there. So if you don't like this scent, probably not gonna like this. So maybe I'll do a skin update right here on my chin. I'm gonna try. Use it every day or multiple times a day and see if it actually removed those pimples, because girl, I'm not trying to get any more scarring anymore. Because in high school I remember I didn't really see anything, and I stopped using it because I was like, this doesn't work. But so this, you can also put it in your blackheads, not just acne, 3 times daily. So yeah, like I said, multiple times a day. So I have blackheads. Yeah, a little. It's just more scarring now. I don't know what the white thing is. Usually I get those white things and then randomly disappear. I usually get them around my eyes. I don't have it anymore, but now it came out randomly in my nose. So okay, interesting. So I'm not gonna put it on my blackheads because I really want to test out how my pimples react first before doing it on my blackheads as well. So maybe in a different video, I'm freaking out. But thank you, Elle. I'm so excited. This was sent to me for free, and from Beauty Squad. Usually you don't get free products unless you purchase something, and I haven't been active at all at elf website Beauty Squad. I don't look through it anymore. I don't even buy anything from them anymore. I'm not really doing my research anymore, so I totally forgot I had elf Beauty Squad, because I'm not really doing makeup or buying a lot of makeup things, basically just for makeup clients or projects, or I just use what has been gifted to me, but I'm not really purchasing makeup anymore. So yes, basically it for today. It's a mini unboxing try on. This is free. If you sign up for Elf Beauty Squad, it is free. I'll put everything here. You don't have to pay to enter, to sign up. You literally just get free perks and benefits if you do things they ask you to do, or if you buy something you get points. Kind of, I guess, like Ulta or Sephora, and then with those points you can get free items. It's kind of like that, but it's strictly elf products. not from other brands, you know. So it's good if you want to buy elf or you love elf like me. I love some elf part. I mean, girl, elf has been trending everywhere. Their pore grip primer, their foundations, concealers, they have a lot of products that it has been trending, and that's what made me sign up for Beauty Squad, because I was like, oh, maybe I'll get those stuff for free. But no, I didn't, because I don't know, I just haven't yet. But I did receive this for free, so you never know. Maybe next time is a primer, is a foundation, a concealer, you never know. So they didn't tell me I was gonna receive this, they just randomly send it to me through the mail. So it's good to have if you're a beauty content creator, you're a makeup artist, or you're trying to save money. Just use Elf Beauty Squad, and then you can maybe get free Elf items, or if this is simply your favorite brand, you know. So yeah, it's pretty cool to try out. There's different tiers or levels that you can go up to. Like me, I forgot, I have to check, but there's like level 1, tier 1, 2, 3, like that. So the more points you get, you rack up and you get higher, and maybe you get more benefits. So I'm guessing I'm pretty in the top or in the middle, because I feel like that's why I received this product for free randomly, because right here it says only our top tier squad members. And I don't know how I'm top tier if I only did one shopping haul from Elf's website. I only used this platform once, but maybe because it was kind of big, so I used the points, all of them, well, most of them, I guess, and one go. Maybe that's why. I don't freaking know. Well, you can kind of get PR. This is kind of like PR. It's just free product from Elf. If it's hard to be in their PR list if you're a small content creator, so just sign up for Elf Beauty Squad, and it's like you basically are in their PR list, kind of. Because except not really, because I'm pretty sure the other people that are actually in their PR list have like a box of things. But hey, listen, I don't mind. One thing is better than nothing, and especially if you're starting out, or you can't really spend a lot of money on skincare or on makeup. It came out good. It came out like not being a scam, being literally awesome, because a year later they sent me this for free. So yeah, basically do that if you're trying to get PR. You don't even have to be a content creator. You can just be a regular person that just loves makeup or skincare, and I'm pretty sure you can still apply and have the same benefits. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you, Elle. I'm so excited. So I hope this time it works, because I need to clear this acne. But okay, if not, it's totally cool. It's still fun to try new products out. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty much it. And thanks for watching. Bye.